The sun was setting over the wide, open, golden grasslands. 3 buffaloes, one black, one gray, and one brown, owned this prairie, not with fences or force, but with something far stronger: unity. They walked together, ate together, slept side by side every single night. When they stood shoulder to shoulder, their sharp horns formed an unbreakable wall. No enemy could ever touch them. An old lion watched them from behind a rock, starving and weak. He knew he could never touch them while they stood as one. He had to wait for them to split up, but days passed, and the 3 friends never left each other's side. Growing desperate, he realized, as long as they stay united, I am powerless. I must break their bond first. The next morning, the lion limped out with a fake smile, looking completely harmless. "Hello, beautiful creatures," the lion wheezed. "I am just an old, tired traveler passing through. I am too weak to hunt. Can I please just rest near you?" The black and gray buffaloes snorted and stepped back. They knew a predator never comes with good intentions. But the brown buffalo was innocent and deeply kind-hearted. She felt a wave of pity. "Don't worry," the brown buffalo whispered to her friends. "He is too weak to harm us. We should be kind." She stepped away from the safety of the herd and smiled. "You are welcome here, old friend." The lion smiled inside. The trap was set. A few days later, the lion cornered the brown buffalo alone. "Look at the gray buffalo," the lion said softly. "Her color is completely different from ours. If she stays, other hunters will spot her and attack us all. Let me get rid of her so you and the black one can live in total peace." The brown buffalo hesitated, then foolishly agreed. The next day, she distracted the black buffalo while the lion ambushed and killed the gray one. Days passed quietly until the lion came back again. He spoke with false concern to the brown buffalo. "Now it is just you and me who share this beautiful color. The black buffalo looks so different. Besides, he is greedy and takes all the best grass. Let me remove him, so this entire valley belongs to you alone." Blinded by kindness and a growing ego, the brown buffalo agreed. Once again, the lion struck, leaving the black buffalo dead. Now, the brown buffalo was left all alone in the vast grasslands. She walked around proudly, thinking, "I am the only one left. The lion is my true friend." Then winter came. The grass died and freezing winds swept the valley. The old lion appeared again, hungrier than ever. He let out a loud, terrifying roar. The brown buffalo trembled. "What are you doing? We are friends. I did everything you asked." The lion let out a cruel, mocking laugh. "Foolish buffalo. A predator has no friends, only targets. Your kindness didn't save your brothers. And now, it has made you my final meal." Before she could scream for help, the lion lunged, but there was no one left to hear her. True kindness is a noble virtue, but when it is stripped of wisdom, it becomes a fatal flaw. The moment you allow flattery and pity to blind your judgment, you open the door for an outsider to destroy your life. Never sacrifice the loyal bonds of family and community to please a predator. Protect the circle that protects you, because unity is your ultimate armor. Be kind to the world, but never be blind to reality. If this story touched your heart, type unity in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.